The story of pie. Once upon a time, when people wanted to make pies, they made them at home. Sometimes people got so good at making pies that they would make pies for other people, and they would make them at home and they would sell them to others. Eventually, the demand for pies increased so much that factories were set up where people would make lots and lots of pies to sell to other people. And people started to move from the countryside to work in these factories, making hundreds and thousands of pies that they would ship out all across the United Kingdom and across the British Empire. People's tastes in pies changed. People didn't want to buy pies that were manufactured in the United Kingdom. People wanted to buy pies that were cheaper. People wanted to buy pies that were different. People wanted to buy pizzas from Italy. People wanted to buy quiche from France. And people wanted to buy pies from China because they were much, much cheaper than the pies you could get that were made in the UK. And so the pie factories closed. The land where these pie factories lay on became brownfield sites. These pie factories became derelict until people had a cunning idea. We could use these brownfield sites for these new industries, industries that use computers, industries that use new technology. Unfortunately, the people who worked in the pie factories, they were only trained to work in pie factories. So we have got our little friend here. He doesn't know what to do. All he knows about is pies. All he knows about is pushing pies, making pies, delivering pies. And now he is not skilled to work in this new industry. So he goes away and he gets retrained. He learns how to make a pie chart in Excel. And when he can do that, he can then go back to this post-industrial industry, to this high-tech industry, and he can get a job. He can now go and work on computers in this new post-industrial economy. Now, we can replace the word pie with cars, steel, textiles, any other manufactured good that was made in the UK. And this story will help us to understand how the post-industrial economy in the United Kingdom changed. Hope this helps. Good luck with revision tonight. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and comment below. Thank you.